Hey y'all, this is a Shade Niche exclusive. Thank y'all so much for signing up for my membership. So today we're going to be going into detail about the double-sided knotless crochet method. So let's just jump right into the video. All right, so basically this method I did not invent. Let me go ahead and say that right off the rip. This is something that a lot of stylists use. Now, I believe the person who invented it was a young lady. I think she calls herself Putate, something like that. I apologize if I'm butchering your name, sis. But on all of my other crochet videos where I'm talking about this method, her information is put under the description box there. So please don't think that I made this. I did not. I'm just showing you how I do it because I use it a lot in my videos, and some people are like, all right, what's she doing? So I wanted to break this down. So basically, I'm going to walk you through it. I'm going to let you look at it, and then we're going to do it in slow motion. So here we are just putting the latch hook through the base of the braid. I'm going to attach some crochet hair. I'm using one strand. Now, if you're in the top of your head and you're doing this, you need to split those strands. But for the purpose of me just showing you how to do it, we're going to use one thick strand so that y'all can see. So basically I'm pulling the hair through, and then I'm going to take the needle, keep it inside that loop, okay, and then I'm going to move to the side of that install right there, and I'm going to pull one leg through. Now, what's important there is that I am right beside it. Now, I'm not in the same hole with that first install, but right beside it with some hair in between, I'm putting that crochet needle through the base again. Then I'm going to latch one of those legs, and then I'm going to pull it through, and I'm going to pull it through the braid, and I'm going to pull it through the what do you call that, the circle right there. Basically that loop, I'm going to pull that strand through that loop, and then on the other side you're left with a loop and you're left with another leg. So I'm going to take that leg, bring it around the top. That is super important. Do not put it in the back, but take it at the top and pull it through that way. And then you're going to pull both legs taut until that knot disappears underneath the base of the braid. Okay, and so then from there you're going to see me use a double knot method to secure that knot, because if not, you see it's going to automatically start coming apart, and that's going to happen with most hairs. Okay, that's going to happen with most of them. If you don't secure it, it's going to come undone. And I think that's one part that I have left out in a lot of my videos, not intentionally, but just looking back at it, I'm like, I didn't say that it needs to be secured, and it definitely needs to whenever you're using this method. So you want to be sure that that knot is underneath the braid before you secure that knot method, okay? And all you're doing is a double knot. Just like you tie a shoestring, that's exactly how you're going to tie those two little smaller strands. And that just secures that knot in place. I know it seems so simple that it probably wouldn't work, but it does. And all you have to do, like, you can secure it as many times as you want to. Just do it in an even amount. And what I say is, like, doing that little method where you're like tying your shoe, basically, you know, in order for you to make a knot with your shoe, you have to tie it twice, right? So if you're going to do it twice, do it twice. Or if you want to do it again, do it 4 times, not 3, if that makes sense. So basically after that, you're done. You can go to your next step of installing the next strand, or if you're done with that whole row, then you're going to go into, you know, teasing it and creating your knotless or your seamless install however you want. You know, you're putting your own flavor on it. So basically I'm going to show you again, but I'm not going to talk through it, and then I'll show you one other time with it really slowed down so that you can see it. But I'm going to shut up so y'all can concentrate. And that is it, you guys. That is all it is to it, to create that double-sided knot. So that way you can have a part on either side. So I hope that y'all got that. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And again, thank y'all so much. There'll be plenty more videos like this where I'm just breaking down every little thing to make sure that y'all get it. And if y'all have any requests, please be sure to let me know, because I'm totally going to do it. Thank y'all so much again for your support on memberships. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all soon.
I'm racing the clock, look at them block, watching them block. You should see this in my sleep when I ain't had